Hi, my name is Shannon Chambers, and I will be doing my demonstration speech over how to make tab bracelets. My audience members are my Uncle Bobby, my boyfriend Dalton, and my mom Beth. Did you know that humans throw over 1,500 aluminum cans away every second? This also means 1,500 canned tabs. Imagine what you could do with all those tabs. I will be speaking with you with just about one of the many things you can do with those tabs. I will demonstrate how to do this just in a few simple steps, and fewer than 5 items will be needed. Now let me show you how to properly make these bracelets. The first thing you want to do is gather your materials, which I have here. You want some string. You can use any string, any cord, or any ribbon. The next thing you need is can tabs. Fingernail polish if you would like to paint them and customize. And you want to make sure you have plenty of room for this project. Now that we have reviewed all of the materials, let me demonstrate to you how to make these bracelets. The first step is paint your tabs and let them dry, which you can see I've already done here. I have my greenish yellow tabs. The second thing you want to do is line your tabs up how you want them on the bracelet, which I've also done here. Then you want to cut 2 pieces of string, however long you want them, and tie a knot and leave a tail. Then you grab one tab and you want to put each string in each hole. Make sure you have a tab that has a hole in the top and a hole in the bottom. You can either do it straight or X. I like to use the X shape. And you start with using the top string, put it in the top hole, and then back through the bottom hole. And then you take the bottom string and put it through the bottom hole and through the top hole. And thread it through. And it should look something like this. Then you want to grab your next tab and do the same thing. The first top thread through the bottom, through the top hole, and then through the bottom hole. And then you want to take the bottom string and go through the bottom hole and then through the top. You want to make sure that they are overlapping and look something like this, so that there is no gaps in between, because if there's gaps, then they will cut you. And then you take your next tab and do the same thing. Top string through the top hole and then through the bottom hole. And thread it through. And then the bottom string through the bottom hole and then back through the top hole. You also want to make sure that you keep your tabs tight so that there is no gaps. You can also do many things when you make them straight. You want to make sure that when you do it straight that you have your tab and you take it this way, and then you want to turn the other one upside down and do it this way. But like I said, I did it the X way because I prefer it, because it looks better. And you just keep continuing on with that pattern until you have something that looks like this. And then you have your bracelet. And when you get done, you want to make another tail at the end so you can tie the 2 tails together, and then there's your bracelet. And here's another example of the X-shaped bracelet. This is an easy project to complete and can be quite fun if you are a crafty person like me. These steps are just one of the many ways to make a tab bracelet. Who knows, maybe you can make up your own way to make these bracelets. Just remember, over 1,500 tabs are collected every day or just wasted. So you want to make sure you collect them and make your bracelets, so why not give it a try?